Many artists struggle to find a balance between work and art. They wonder if they should get a day job, become a commercial artist, or pursue a fine art career. Most of the time, they struggle to find their own style, even though they spend hours finding inspiration by looking at galleries with several names. Before committing to their passion, they ask themselves, can you really make a career as an artist? Careers for artists are as varied as the color wheel itself. If you love drawing, your passion could very well sketch out an impressive career path. It is not wrong to follow your heart and put your pride into your craft. However, you must be able to take care of yourself while walking down your calling. Can art offer you a sustainable life? Understanding the importance of cosmetics industry. One path some artists are afraid to take is the cosmetics industry. Some say that it will not align with their beliefs, but all they want to do is to change other people's perspective. However, you cannot brush off the fact that looking presentable and beautiful has been the preference of all people from the beginning. This is why the cosmetics industry involved millions of people working at improving the products and services to make people look good. As far as physical beauty is concerned, people like to get different treatments to look beautiful. They are also using beauty aids to help build up self-esteem and confidence. It is because appreciating beauty and being appreciated is in human nature. Join and contribute by being a microblading artist. One of the top careers in cosmetics today is microblading. Microblading artists are even consulted by celebrities to follow eyebrow styles and trends. Microblading career promises a place for artists in the industry, a circle of friends who appreciate art, and a stable income. To be a microblading artist, getting professional training is the first step. A microblading online course is also an excellent way to start, together with a set of tools needed for training. Starting is not easy, like every artist does. They invest time and resources for equipment and skills. However, this crafting career can offer a considerable return on investment. Microblading online course, career after the microblading online course. In a microblading online course, the professionals will teach you the basics. Usually, these are hand techniques, art principles, proper tool handling, and dealing with clients. Previous experience in tattooing or makeup will serve as an advantage. But exploring new styles is beyond the horizon for trainees. After getting a microblading online course, the learning is continuous. Microblading is not for the half-hearted. Artists take pride in drawing every line. However, a microblading career promises passionate people with a bright future ahead. Artists are free to explore themselves using art. However, the canvas for their artwork is the face of their clients. Artists are responsible for what they do, since microblading creates a long-lasting result, and their clients will wear the name of the artist after the eyebrow is already done. Benefits of a microblading career. Imagine your life after pursuing your passion, and then ask yourself, are you dreaming of just meeting someone throughout your career? Do you want to earn or to be recognized? If you are still undecided, before taking a microblading online course, consider these things. Financial stability. The return of investment after getting a microblading online course is out of the question. Within 3 to 5 sessions, the cost of training and tools is already covered. A microblading session lasts 2 to 3 hours. If you get one client each day in your first week, your earnings from your future clients are all yours. You can invest in your career improvement. An example is getting professional tools, ink, workspace, advertisement, or training other skills. Like all artists, you shouldn't stop doing your craft until you are satisfied. A microblading online course is a stepping stone, but learning and earning every day is a career worth building. Work-life balance. A lucrative career is awaiting after the microblading online course. A client will stay in your studio for a couple of hours, but 2 clients a day doesn't always happen. Every session needs an appointment, and after your client went home, the time is all yours. Imagine a 3-hour workday. It's even less than a part-time job. However, you are earning a lot, so a session is enough to cover Whatever you do within your day, if you spend your time and money with your family and friends, go ahead and strengthen your relationships. If you stay in your studio and boost your career, it's a good investment. You can even attend a full-time job, do all of those, and still get enough sleep. Personal branding. Artists dream of being known in the industry. The career starts from working with your mentors and batchmates in a microblading online course. After learning the techniques and styles, you will grow together with your fellow starters and your mentors. You will eventually find more people and start friendships with microblading as a conversation starter. Having a stable business grants you the freedom to run advertisements. If you focus on satisfying your clients and improving your craft, you can't even notice that you are already recognized by people. It's the best way to get a career and be an influence. Career fulfillment. While taking a microblading online course, you will get a satisfying feeling after you finish every task. You will see improvements in your skills, your personality, and your career. However, this is just a start. The journey continues onward when you start getting clients in your studio. The best benefit of getting a microblading career is the fulfillment you get after you finish working with clients. It happens to every microblading artist every day. A microblading career is enough to change your life and other people's lives. Seeing a client happy is the best feeling any artist can experience, which means that you and your work are appreciated.